Hello dear students, welcome back again to my YouTube channel eLearn English. I am Kailas Tidke, lecturer in English. Today we are going to study another very important topic of basic English grammar, that is types of sentences. Remember, these types of sentences play an important role in the written communication. If you don't know these types of sentences, then in written communications we many times face difficulties. Therefore, we should use these types of sentences at appropriate level and try to understand these types of sentences. So we'll try to understand the overview or the agenda of today's lecture is we are going to study first of all the four types of sentences and one definition, simple definition of a sentence. So let us see which are the four types of sentences. Number one is the assertive sentence or the declarative sentence, or it is also called as simple sentence. The second is imperative sentence. It is also known as command, because it gives command, request, order like this. Then third is interrogative sentence, the sentence in which there is a question or the questions are asked in the interrogative sentence. Or fourth one is exclamatory sentence, in the sentence in which there are certain expressions or certain feelings. So these are the four types of sentence we are going to study. First of all, before going to turn at the exact types of sentences, we will try to understand what is a sentence. Let us see the definition of sentence. It is very simple and very basic. A sentence is a group of words which has certain meaning. Now see example. I deliver the lecture. Subject, verb and object. Nothing else. It is very simple and basic. Remember, any group of word which has certain meaning or particular meaning, or a group of word which gives us meaning, that is called as a sentence. It is very simple. The first type of sentence we are going to study, that is assertive sentence or declarative sentence, or it may be also known as a simple sentence. The structure is subject, verb, object like this. What is meant by assertive sentence? These sentences are generally used to state information or fact. Generally, these sentences state the fact, or which generally gives the information only. They are the most commonly used sentences type. It can be positive or negative sentence. Very simple. For example, I like coffee. I don't like coffee, or I don't lie. Do you lie? I don't lie, like this. She wakes up early morning. We follow the rules. These are the simple sentences we generally just we use to give the information or to state the fact. These are very straightforward sentences, and commonly we use assertive sentence in our day-to-day communication. Second type is imperative sentence, or the sentence which gives us command, order, request, etc. So the arrangement of this sentence is like the verb plus object or only the base form of the verb. Let us see. These sentences gives command or make a request. Imperative sentence end with a period, means we generally put the full stop at the end of the sentence. So this is called as the period. For example, follow the instructions. Here is no subject. Try to understand. Only verb plus object or only the base form of the verb is there in the imperative sentence. Don't violate the rules. Help the poor. Be punctual. These are some advice or instructions or requests or commands given by someone. So they are called as the imperative sentence. Then third type is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence in which there is a question. Always the questions are asked in the interrogative sentence. So these sentences ask question, accordingly they end with the question mark. So this is very simple to identify which type of sentence it is. For example, what are you reading? Did she finish the homework? Why don't you play a game? Have you got the prize? These are the examples. Generally, in all these sentences, we find there is a question. So, any sentence in which there is a question or which asks question, which is called as interrogative sentence. Then, fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence in which sudden feelings or sudden expressions are there. It is also called as interjections. We have seen in the parts of which in the previous videos. You can watch the previous video and see what is exclamatory sentence or what is a interjection. So the arrangement of this sentence is like this: any word, any WH word or any word which expresses such kind of emotions, or the adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb, like this the subject verb arrangement is. The exclamatory sentence is what we'll try to understand. These sentences express emotions, feelings, sudden expressions such and with an exclamation mark. You should only use them to convey strong emotions, which does not happen often in the academic writing. It tends to be objective and formal. Now try to understand in academic writing or in the written communication, generally we avoid using exclamatory sentence because these sentences are generally used in the oral communication. Try to understand, very important point. So see, for example, what a liar he is, or what a wonderful scene it is. We express our emotions. We generally have this kind of emotion in our mind, or to express some sad feelings. We have the emotions like this. If you come to know any breaking news, we generally call it as, "Oh, he's no more," like this. Or the fourth sentence is, "How exciting the movie was." How exciting the movie was. Means this is also sudden feeling. But in the written communication, we don't like the write like this. How exciting movie was. We generally write the movie was very exciting, or the movie was very nice, like this. So in written communication, generally we avoid exclamatory sentence. Generally these sentences are used by authors, poets, writers in their writing. Therefore it is essential to know what are the types of sentences and how to use these sentences at proper places. So do remember, and thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel eLearn English. Thank you.